Dirt and debris, housekeeping is some of the biggest problems with scales.
If a customer scale is not routinely maintained, they could be giving away product from weighing light, as well as creating bad batches depending on their business.
Our customer scales are their cash registers. Their scales are critical pieces of equipment. Having a routine preventative maintenance program in place will definitely reduce downtime for our customers.
A technician can see a problem before it becomes a large problem.
You can call anytime, day or night. We'll be available for you. You can also call and speak directly to one of the owners. You get that personalized service that you don't with many big corporations.